Disclaimer: this video is created for educational purpose. Before taking any investment, please consult with your financial advisor.
I'm educating technicals through my membership. So if you are interested to join my membership, please click this join button. Hello friends, in this video we are going to discuss about few indexes. So the first one is Nifty. So Nifty is nearly fallen a huge point on last trading day, and also with that we have during this particular run up we mentioned that it was a vertical rally. So because of that, either we are going to see some kind of a consolidation or we are going to see some kind of a fall. So the fall is actually happening right now, and right now the major important support which is available at 22,600 and 22,500, and I think 22,000 again it is going to reach, and with that the broad hope which is available at 21,700. So if Nifty is closing below 21,700 in weekly candle, we are going to see some kind of a major fall in Nifty, because we have already indicated this fall exactly at 7 to 8 months back. At that particular time I have marked one pattern, that is Nifty is creating a head and shoulder. So right now the head formation is completed, so it was actually moving for the second shoulder formation. So if it is doing like that, the last hope which is available at 21,700, if it breaks, we are going to see some kind of a major fall, or else if it is not breaking that level, Nifty is going to give some kind of a consolidation in the same level. And this is what the technical about Nifty is indicating. We have indicated this technical formation when it was trading at the all-time high itself. And also with that, the next one is Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty is actually consolidating in the same place. Nifty is actually fallen, but the Bank Nifty is consolidating because it was some kind of a clear double bottom formation for the 2 times, and I have mentioned that it is actually some kind of a strong formation. Because of that, Bank Nifty is holding, but if it is breaking 50,500 with a day closing below that, we can expect some kind of a severe fall, or else if it reaches this level, or else if it is reaching the second the zone which is available over here, I'm expecting a severe fall in Bank Nifty also. And the next one is Nifty Next 50. So here after some kind of a consolidation, the consolidation bottom is clearly broken. Right now we can see some kind of a decent fall, and in this fall 60,200 to 60,100 can be acted as a minor support, and after that this swing low can be acted as a minor support. If this swing low is broken, we can expect some kind of a decent fall in Nifty Next 50 also. The next one is a Nifty 500. Here it was actually keep on falling from the peak after reaching this high, and also with that in this level the consolidation price which is available at 20,450. So this peak, that is what I'm expecting, that level can be acted as a important support. If that low is broken, we can expect the recent fall up to the previous swing low, and if that low is broken, we can able to see some kind of a decent fall. But for the upside movement for all these indexes, this particular peak, previous indexes also, that particular peak needs to broken for the further up move. The next one is Sensex. So Sensex is actually broken the support trend line, because that line was acted as an important support trend line, important resistance trend line in these places. Right now it should be acted as important support. That support is broken, so because of that we can expect a decent fall up to this particular bottom, that is 73,000. Then the major important support which is available at 71,900. If 71,900 is broken, we can able to see some kind of a decent fall in Sensex. The next one is Nifty Midcap. So Nifty Midcap was holding the trend line we have drawn, but that trend line is clearly broken with the last trading day. So because of that, this swing lows can be acted as an important support for the upcoming days. If that swing low is broken, and also with that the major important level, that is 10,350, if it is broken, we can expect some kind of a decent fall, or else if it is breaking this high, we can expect the further up move. But right now that kind of up move moment cannot be happen, because US market is actually bleeding. We have indicated this US market analysis when it was trading at the all-time high, exact all-time high, and right now Nasdaq comes under the crash territory. That means it is already fallen more than 20%. The small cap, so small cap, about small cap, it is actually closed exactly at the important support level, because here we are having some kind of a gap. That gap can be acted as a support. The gap means the previous swing high is actually that is marked as an important support level, and also we can mark that support level with the this particular peak also. That means 14,650. We are having a support up to that particular level. If that level is broken, we can expect the recent fall in small cap. The next one is Nifty Total Index. So this index is right now recently added in my watch list. So this index is falling from the exact resistance price. So the reason for adding this particular index in my watch list is it is exactly fallen from the important resistance place. So it has actually fallen from the peak of 13,850, and here we got the second touch point, and here we got the third touch point. Recently, from the peak, most of the indexes are fallen. The falling which is started exactly at 25th March, but here on 25th March, this particular index is exactly reaching the resistance, and from there it started falling. While checking the index performance, actually this index is created based upon the movement of 750 stocks. So those 750 stocks consist of large cap, mid cap, and also small cap. It is actually a overall market index. So because of that, this index is exactly at the resistance, and from there it is started falling. So I thought to add this index in my upcoming videos also. The next one is Dow Jones. So Dow Jones, we have indicated a downfall when it was trading at 45,000 and near, and from there we have marked a level of this particular trend line. That level is exactly reached, and also with that, in my Tamil channel, particularly in membership video, during this particular candle I have indicated that this swing low is broken. So because of that, it can reach the opposite side of this particular trend line. That opposite side is reached within a single day. That means it is actually a drastical fall. If you're thinking it is actually created because of news, during this particular all-time high, there is no news regarding this particular kind of tariff. So there is a news, but we don't know how much amount of tariff is going to imposed on each countries. But at that particular peak, I have indicated based upon the technical, I have marked this particular level, and also with that, right now I'm feeling that this level also can be broken. And if you're checking this moment in weekly chart, it is actually fallen heavily. So I have indicated this technical move based upon the double top formation, and from the double top peak, exactly analyzed at the double top peak. So I'm measuring from the peak of that particular double top. So far now it is actually fallen 15%, and also with that, it is exactly trading at the important support trend line, and that support trend line is nearly started long back. That means nearly from the corona fall, and it is already having a 3 touch point. So if it is breaking this particular support for the fourth time, then it can create another one more big fall up to the bottom of 36,500. So if it is reaching this particular level, that is 36,500, it will be creating another one more drastical fall. I think the market will be falling 19%. And also with that, here we are having one kind of some demand zone. So that demand zone can be acted as an important support. So the demand zone which is available exactly at 36,000 to 36,300. So that can be acted as an important support, but I think it can give some kind of a smaller bounce back, because if this particular support trend line is broken, means it can reach the previous swing low. The previous swing low is exactly at 32,600. So if it is reaching 32,600, then it will be a clear crash. That means the market will be falling 28%. It is already fallen 15. So I think it can fall another one more 13% from the peak. And the next one is Nasdaq. So Nasdaq is already entered into the crash territory because it is already fallen 21% from the all-time high, and also they have predicted this fall exactly at the all-time high. But most of other analyzers will be indicating that we can't able to predict the exact all-time high, and also we can't able to predict the exact bottom. It is actually correct, but if we are following technicals exactly, then we can able to find this kind of movement at some point of time. So I can't able to mention exactly at the previous. So if you are asking me exactly at this peak, I can't able to mention from here it can fall, but exactly on the second time it is actually started forming some kind of a bearish signal. So that's why I mentioned that this particular index, that means the most important index of American market, those three indexes can fall. So that is what I have indicated. The next one is Nasdaq. So and also the Nasdaq is exactly trading at the all-time high, and from there I have fixed nearly two levels. The first level was 18,450. That level is reached, and also it is broken on the last trading day. And the next level that I have fixed is 17,000. So when it was trading at 22,200, I have fixed a level of 17,000. It was actually some kind of a drastical downside target. So that downside target actually I have fixed. Sorry. So exactly I have fixed that all-time high. So if we are measuring from the all-time high, it is actually indicating a fall of 23.5%. So nobody will be fixing this kind of a drastical downside target. And also that at that particular time the market was trading at all-time high. So when it was trading at all-time high, I was fixed a level of 23.5% of downside target. It is going to reach, and I think because of this drastical fall on last trading day, I think it can break also. So right now I'm fixing the next level, which is available at 15,800. So I think it can also reach. If it is breaking 17,000 or 16,950, we can expect 15,800. So if we are seeing any kind of recovery over here, so I'm not seeing any kind of recovery in this particular place. It is actually creating some kind of a gap down opening, and also it is a very big candle. I think it is creating a runaway gap on the last 2 days. So if you want to know these kind of technicals, you can join my class, or else you can take price action membership in my channel. And I think it is creating a runaway gap. Because of this runaway gap, still the fall is available. That means it can fall further more. The next one is S&P 500. So S&P 500, I have fixed three levels. The first level was 5,400, it is reached, and also the second level was 5,200. I mentioned that it is actually a minor support. The major support, which is available at 4,000, it is actually 5,000 to 4,950. I think it can be reached on the Monday itself. That means on today's trading day itself. And because of this kind of drastical fall, our market can fall drastically on this current trading day. And gold in futures. So gold in futures, when it was trading at the all-time high, it was started creating a bearish signal, and because of that, it has started falling. Here we are having one neck point that is at 87,250. If that neck point is broken, it will be creating a higher high double top, and because of that, it can fall up to the starting first support of 84,600. Then if that low is broken, means we can expect some kind of a decent fall in gold. So it can fall next level up to the price of 81,900. Then the next major support, which is available at 79,700. In dollars, it is actually reached after reaching the second recent target. So I have fixed this target very recently during this particular candle breakout, and during this candle breakout, I have fixed these two targets with the help of Fibonacci extension. So if you are my Tamil channel follower, you can able to know that how I have fixed two targets, that is 3,100 and 3,170. After reaching the second level, it is exactly started falling. That means my target is acting as the important resistance, and the last hope, which is available at $3,000. If $3,000 is broken, then we can able to see some kind of a decent fall in gold. It is already fallen, and the decent fall can fall up to the level of $2,950 and $2,880, and after that we can expect the fall up to the level of $2,830. Then the major support of gold, which is available at $2,725. If it reaches here, then we can start accumulating gold in bulk. And also with that, if you are a SIP investor, you can start doing SIP in this current fall itself, if you are doing SIP already. The next one is silver. So silver, which was actually some kind of a severe fall. So when it was trading at the exact level of 1,02,000 rupees, I mentioned that during this particular recent fall, that means during this three red candle formation, I mentioned that it is actually creating a double top at 1,02,000. If it is breaking 1,02,000, then we can expect the up move. Otherwise, if it is breaking 96,450, we can expect a fall. And also with that, recently I have added one trend line formation, and from the horizontal support itself, from the level of 96,450, I have marked important support in my Tamil channel. That support, which is available at far away from the current level, that is 9.5%. That level is reached within a single day itself, and it is actually acting as the important support right now. If this support, or else if this red candle low is broken, then the next level of support, which is available at 78,670. If this red candle is low broken, means we can expect the fall up to this particular level. So that's all about this today's video. Thank you for watching.